Hey guys, and welcome back to another Rainbow Playmaker slime video. If you guys are new here, I'm Marjorie, and I am so excited to show you guys how to achieve this amazing drizzle in your cloud slimes. This tutorial is super easy to follow. Watch it from start to finish so that you don't miss any secret tips or any steps along the way. And if you have any questions, comment below and ask away. I'm happy to help. One of my main goals here on YouTube is to make sure that you can achieve amazing slime shop slimes in the comfort of your own homes. So let's just jump right into the video and get started. First thing you want to do is add about a cup of glue to your bowl. Then you want to go in with equal parts of water. So this is about a cup of water. I'm adding 1 pump of lotion and I'm adding some coloring. I chose to use this purple paint. You can of course use food dye or any color paint you want. I also did 1 pump of foam soap. So I'm going to mix that all up. And yeah, if you guys want a purple slime and you don't want it to change colors, I definitely recommend using a purple paint over a purple food coloring or dye, because the purple food coloring tends to change color and get a little bluish, which I think is a totally cool effect. But if you don't like that, use paint. So I thought I'd be pretty cool putting activator in this little Pinkie Pie bottle my daughter drank apple juice out of, but it's really hard to squeeze, so I don't know that I recommend this, even though it does look cute. But anyway, so this is my activator bottle. So you want to add a little activator at a time to your glue mixture. The activation that I'm using is 1 teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of water. So just keep adding until all of the slime comes together. And it'll be kind of like a jiggly-ish slime, but it will feel a little tough. It won't be super stretchy, so don't be alarmed, because that is completely normal. So this is the texture you want. It's kind of just like a slime blob at this point. I'm going in with a teaspoon of Snow Wonder Fake Snow. The powder is dry. I do not activate it first. The only snow that I use for my cloud slimes, my jelly slimes, my puff slimes, whatever slimes that require snow, I always use Snow Wonder. It is my favorite. So I'm going to be putting in total about 2 tablespoons of dry snow. Now, you can do it all at once if you want to and mix it in. It's going to be a slow process of mixing it in. So I tend to add a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons at a time and just keep mixing. The snow has to absorb the moisture out of the glue and slime that we just made. So it does take a little while just for the snow to absorb it. So basically all we're doing here is mixing, adding about a teaspoon more of the snow, and just continuing the process until it reaches the desired consistency and texture that you want. It will become more stretchy over time. The more snow that you add, the more mixing that you do, the more kneading that you do. And so don't feel like, oh no, I have a cloud cream here. This will turn into a cloud slime. You just got to keep at it. A lot of mixing goes into making cloud slimes perfect and drizzly. Even after you're done, I feel like cloud slime is way better the next day. So if you're still not feeling that perfection at the very end of this, give it a day and see where you are with the texture and how the snow and the glue and all the ingredients kind of came together. And then if you want, you can always add maybe a little more snow at that point. But I would not do more than 2 tablespoons for this amount of slime to begin with. If you add a little too much, just even a little bit, you'll have a ton of fallout. But fallout is completely natural in the beginning. As you can see, it will be spilling all over my surface, but you just need to keep mixing and incorporating the snow with the slime. So this is the drizzle we have now, and I'm pretty happy with the way that it is drizzling. I am actually really happy with the color and everything. The only thing I need to do now, I think, is scent it. So I'm using this blackberry jam scent, which is delicious smelling. And so I'm adding that, and I'm going to mix that in, and then I will show you the drizzle once that's all mixed in. But you can see how nicely this fluffs up. It's super airy, fluffy, everything that you want in a cloud slime. Super drizzly, of course. And there you have it, guys. Loving this cloud slime. I would love to see all your creations. Tag me at RainbowPlayMaker on Instagram. Hashtag RainbowPlayMaker showed me the way. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials and slime videos. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.